What if a mug can control a drink's temperature? It would be a perfect temperature control. What if this mug can notify whether you are suspicious a diabetic? The mug would be smart and biomedical. What if we use this smart and biomedical mug every day? We would know our body's vitals in real time, which could prevent us from heart diseases and diabetes. Here is our new solution. We are introducing the world's first new biomedical healthcare smart mug, ESERMUG. ESERMUG allows you to set exact drinking temperature and keeps your drink warm. This mug uses the exact temperature control technology. ESERMUG can estimate whether you are suspected diabetes and shows a warning sign via mobile app. It checks heart rate and blood pressure using the optical sensor, which is located on the handle and displays the readings on the LCD screen. It also shows the electrocardiogram waveform of the user using 2 special electrodes on the mobile app. ESERMUG can be used as a part of medical diagnosis when you don't feel good. You can check your current heart status anytime and send vital records of your body to the doctor via mobile app. The mobile app presents the current temperature of your beverage, and the user can easily set its temperature using buttons in the mobile app. The mobile app also shows diabetes warnings and your heart status information like blood pressure, heart rate, and electrocardiogram waveform. ESERMUG has fast wireless charging function, so it can be charged freely using wireless charging stands. It is also fully waterproof and designed for IP67. It is easy to wash and can be used anywhere. We engineered all of these functions and sensors to have a compact design. You can monitor your health with the same comfort of your everyday coffee mug and never miss a sip. We have been developing this mug for over 2 years, and our second-generation prototype works flawlessly. It is fully equipped with all the design functions. Don't wait to use this mug. Stay healthy and know your vitals in real time. So back us. We can't help everyone without you. Donate now to receive our life-changing product as soon as it's available and at a discounted price. ESERMUG.